So here we have with us our own desi version of Rolex from the Indian brand Sonata to fulfill our dream. This watch is a perfect hybrid version of the Oyster Perpetual and the Rolex Datejust. And the fun fact is that this one costs under 1300 only. Between the two variants of the green and the blue, I have the green one. But before diving into the details, let me get you through the quick unboxing. Now, talking about the dimensions of the watch measures 40 mm across the diameter, 46 mm in lug to lug length, and 10 mm in height, which matches the dimensions of the Oyster Perpetual exactly same. Although it looks like it has a steel case, but the case actually is made of brass. Now let's focus on the dial with a stunning green color and a beautiful sunburst effect that really helps it to stand out of the crowd. Now talking about the bezel, it is the fluted one, which is nothing but a miracle in this price range, which is on another level compared to the watches that costs more than 5000. The bracelet is made of stainless steel though, and it is the Jubilee style bracelet.
Okay, so there are a lot of benefits of wearing a classic wristwatch, in my opinion. Like no distractions of emails, notifications, or missed calls. A classic wristwatch adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outfit. The style and the design of the wristwatch also reflects your personal style, interests, and values, and many more.
Now come to the next amazing part of the watch, that is the lume used in this watch is as bright as the watches that cost more than 10,000. The case shape and the hour markings and the brand assurance makes this watch really a class apart watch. Well, that is all for today. Hope you have liked the video, and if you have, please like, share it with your friends and families so that they can have this beautiful watch, and don't forget to subscribe and comment whether you will buy it or not. Thank you, stay tuned. We will be meeting in our next unboxing video. Thanks a lot.